You do not have to break another sweat over finding the perfect stay when we've got your back. Choose your home from a range of stunning contemporary studios and shared flat en-suites furnished with everything you need and more. Move into the Glasshouse with your friends to have an amazing time together in the shared flat, equipped with a spacious living room and kitchen. Or, if you're a space lover, book a studio and prioritize your personal space. Either way, you'll always get complete access to the common rooms and the outdoor courtyard where you can unwind and distress after a long day of work. The Glasshouse provides free, fast, and unlimited Wi-Fi, on-site laundry service, and excellent security with no extra bills tugging at your shirt. You can always approach the on-property staff in case you need any assistance at any time of the day. Nottingham Trent University and the University of Nottingham are only a short distance away, so you'll always get those extra snoozes in every morning. Shopaholics will have the best time of their lives here, since the supermarket and the shopping center are at an arm's length from the Glasshouse. Don't waste another second. Head to amberstudent.com to book your stay today.